Hello friends, my name is Upasana. Today we will talk about wetland. Wetland are special ecosystem where land is saturated with water, making it a wetland. Such may also be partially and completely covered with water, either permanently or seasonally. The scientific expression of the water that drenches of the soil stays at the surface of the long period of time. There are two types of wetlands: coastal and inlands. Inlands are seasonal and created from freshwater. Estuaries is a special kind of fresh wetland with mixing fresh water and salt water. First, why wetlands are important? Wetlands act as an observer water. So when it rains, the water moves slowly throughout the water system, like rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, etc. When heavy rain pours down suddenly, wetlands would since will absorb the water, the rainwater, and thus preventing from river filling up. Second, wetlands clean pollution. Wetlands clean pollution like nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, and suspended solids. Wetlands can also remove the metals, as metals can enter in the wetland. Wetland can also remove through the surface of the soil flow. Third, wetlands controlling climate. Controlling climate is the greatest hydrologic function of the wetland. Through evaporation, wetlands return 2 or 3 annual water of their annual water to the atmosphere. Fourth, wetlands importance of purification. Wetlands filter out the sedimentation, decompose vegetative matters into the usable form. This way wetlands can clean the water and usable for our purposes. Conclusion: the benefits of the wetlands immense. They control climate to keep surroundings pollution free, preventing floods, provides home to many species, etc.